Okay. Let's go to the modifying tools. We still have few more minutes. Huh? Your battery? Okay. Let's just discuss few things in the modifying tools. We're done. Anyway, we're almost done. We have so much of information right now, actually. This is a good thing also if my students are using AutoCAD before. You see any difference using it? You know, you see any similarities application, applying those lines and so on, and there is a difference, no? Small difference, but if you are working or using AutoCAD, it will be easier for you. Next time or next Friday, we're going to borrow some power so you can. Again, sir. Again, sir. Again. Tangent and arc. It will be easy. Yeah. No, I don't like it. You know, personally, I don't like it and feel it's not useful at all. The fill art is better. Sir, would you mind if you're going to tell me? Huh? Just check if I'm spelling it correct. Mohammed. F-A-R. R-I-Z. Like this. Answer. B-A-R-A. K-A-P. That's it. And how you spell it, sir? E-L-G-E-B-A-L-O-L-Y. It's just an attendance, right? Okay, let's go to the modifying tools. Okay. Don't click the lesson number 2, huh? The modifying tool. And what is the modifying tools? Yeah. After we draw something, we're going to modify whatever we draw. Okay. So what are these elements? What are these? It's A. Okay. What is this, sir? What are these? Huh? No. Are you now in the modifying tools? Yeah. Okay. What is the first tool? The first tool is actually align. Did you see this align? Yeah. Okay. What are these? This floor. Huh? No, this one. No. So okay, actually, just making sure, no, that you are now understand how to check element. No, it's very important. Now, let's perform a line. No? Align is actually can be found in your modify tab. No? Here, let's just take a look under the modify tab. So these are the modifying elements. No? Align, offset, so familiar, huh? Mirror, okay, and those things. Huh? But actually, you don't need to modify tab every time. No, let's stay in the architectural tab. Okay. Let's try. Okay, you are now in architectural. Let's try to select any element. Any. Let's say this one. See, the modifying tab will come automatically. And if we press escape, gone. Okay, so you don't need to go to the modifying tab also, no? And also some modifying tool has a shortcut, no? Align, there is a shortcut, AL. Okay, so we're going to rearrange these columns just like this, no? Okay, not all, maybe 3. Okay, so AL for align, AL. The first click is actually the reference, no? We want to align our elements to this one. That's the first click. And the second click is what element you want to what element you want to align. Let's say the face of this element, click. See? Okay, now select the reference again and click the middle one. Reference again and that face. Okay, so I think that's now. Okay, now for exercise number 2, okay. First of all, is it done? This one, sir? Okay. Exercise number 2. It's kind of, it's kind of not good if you're going to click the reference every time, no? So let's use align again, AL. If you're going to remember, actually, this is an options bar, no? See this one? Look at my screen, this one. This is actually an option bar. Now, if you press escape, okay, this options bar will not come. And if you press AL, this will come. Huh? So if I'm going to click or check this multiple alignment, so in this example, this is our reference. Okay, you can align this one. But when you click this one, you don't have to click the reference every time, no? Align, align, align. So you just have to click the reference one time. Okay? Let's move on. Down, pan it down, 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 down. Let's do an offset. Okay, now I am done with the align. Go down. Let's do an offset. So the shortcut for offset is OF. Let's make this one going to the right first, no? Here, we're going to copy or offset here by this one, no? So let's click OF. OF. Okay, and this is where you're going to change the value, no? So from this one, what is the offset distance? Let's say 1,600. As I've said, we're going to do it right first. Offset to the right. Okay, 1,600, enter. And you move your cursor here and wait for this preview going right. Click. Okay. Now to the other side, the offset distance is different. So just change the value here. 1,800. Enter. Place your cursor here and wait for the preview going left. And then click. Okay. Press escape first. Press escape. For exercise number 2, okay, I'm going to tell you something. Okay, ready for exercise number 2 now? Okay. Exercise number 2, still offset. Yeah. Let's enter OF. And what is the offset value? What is the offset value? 1,200. Now, I will tell you something better here. Now, 1,200, enter. Ready? Place your cursor here. Place. Let's say